Hello everyone, in this part we are going to see how to record narration in Videopad. So let's add your video on the sequence upon which you want to record the narration. And on Home tab, click on Record and click on Over Video. And it will open Record Sound Over Video window. To begin the recording, click on Record button. So this is the video about the ocean waves. To stop the recording, click on the Stop button. And you can see our recording got added into audio recording bin. If you want to record more, in Record Sound or Video, click on the Record button again and click on the Stop button to stop the recording. You can record narration till the end of the video. Once you are done with the recording, click on the Close button to close the window. If you want to know where your narration is saved on your computer, right click on it. Click on Open File Location and you can see it got saved under Music folder. To check the narration, click on the Play button under Sequence Preview panel. So this is the video about the ocean waves. So this way you can record narration in Videopad.